Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by putting on eye and hearing protection and positioning your work surface so you have clear access. Attach the palm nailer to a 90-120 SI air source with a 1/4 quick connect and bleed the line once to remove debris. Load nails that match the nailer's specified length and collation. Make sure the driver sits flush. Once done, dry fire once into scrap material to confirm feed and stroke, and adjust air pressure slightly if the drive feels soft. You position the palm nailer so the driving tip is perpendicular to the nail head. This prevents bending and ensures full embed. Keep a firm palm grip over the tool and use your index finger to control short, deliberate triggers. Burst mode over continuous squeeze gives better precision. Make sure to press the tip against the workpiece so the tool vents recoil into the material, and pace yourself. Allow the recoil to settle between shots to maintain accuracy and avoid over. You finish by inspecting each nail. Confirm they are flush or countersunk as required and look for wood splits. Disconnect the air, remove any remaining nails from the magazine, and wipe the tool clean. Apply a few drops of pneumatic tool oil into the inlet before storage. If you encounter misfeeds, make sure to clear jams, verify nail size and collation, and check the feeder spring tension. Often a quick clean and correct nail selection restores reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.